Today I'm going to teach you how to log in to Zoho Desk and explore its dashboard. If you're managing customer support or setting up a help desk system, understanding how to navigate Zoho Desk is essential for streamlining your team's workflow and keeping customer interactions organized. Let's start by opening your browser. In the address bar, type in zoho.com/desk and press enter. This will take you directly to the Zoho Desk landing page where you can access the platform. Once you're on the landing page, look for the button labeled Access Zoho Desk and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have your email and password ready. After entering your details and successfully logging in, you'll be directed straight to your Zoho Desk dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all support activities. Now, let's explore the main modules you'll see along the top side menu. First up is the Tickets section. This is where all customer inquiries, issues, and requests land. Think of it as your support inbox where every conversation with the customer gets tracked and managed. Next, you'll find the Knowledge Base. This section serves as your self-service hub, allowing you to create and organize articles that help customers find answers on their own without needing to contact support directly. Moving along, there's the Contracts module. This helps you manage service agreements with your customers, keeping track of terms, renewal dates, and commitments. Then, you have the Customers section, which is where all customer and contact information lives. This centralizes all the details about who you're supporting and their history with your team. The Analytics module provides insight into how your support team is performing. Here you can track metrics like response times, ticket volumes, and customer satisfaction scores to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Next is Activities, which tracks scheduled and ongoing tasks, helping you stay on top of follow-ups and internal assignments. Finally, there's the Community section, which enables customer-to-customer engagement in a forum-type approach, allowing users to help each other and share knowledge. Now, notice the plus icon near the top of the dashboard. This is your quick action button. Click on it to view a drop-down menu of selections that let you quickly create tickets, contacts, or other items without navigating through multiple menus. Right next to it, you'll see the search bar for finding anything across your desk quickly. Then come the notification icon, the marketplace where you can find integrations and extensions, and the setup menu for configuring your Zoho Desk settings. Finally, you'll see your profile icon on the far right, and there you have it. You're now logged into Zoho Desk and familiar with the main dashboard layout and modules. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.